Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today we are going to make South Indian style chicken kurma. It's made with a lot of coconut and spices. It's really very delicious. This kurma can be prepared veg or non-veg. Vegetarian version you can use all the mixed assorted vegetables. Non-vegetarian version can be made with chicken, mutton, fish or prawns. So today we are going to make chicken kurma. Now you can pair this with rotis, parathas, puris, plain rice, and in South India they also relish it with dosas, idlis, appams, idiyappams and neer dosa. So it's a very versatile curry, very delicious one. I'm sure you are going to love it. So let's proceed to make chicken kurma South Indian style. For kurma I've taken chicken 250 grams. I'm using boneless chicken and cut it into very small pieces because I'm serving it with dosas. You could take chicken with the bone also. Onions 1, oil 5 or 6 tablespoons, 1 bay leaf cut into pieces, salt to taste, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, 2 small pieces of cinnamon. And for dry grinding we have taken 4 cloves, 5 cardamoms, green cardamoms, poppy seeds 1 tablespoon, sesame seeds 1 teaspoon, coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1/2 teaspoon and fennel seeds or saunf 1/2 teaspoon. For wet grinding, ginger 1 small piece, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 2 green chillies, handful of cashew nuts and grated coconut 1/2 cup. Ingredients list can also be seen in the description box. Now let's proceed. Transfer all the wet ingredients into a grinding jar. Add sufficient water and grind them. Just like we grind the chutney, slightly coarser texture. Look at this. Don't make it into a very fine paste. Now this is done. Let's proceed to dry roasting the other spices. Cardamoms, coriander, cumin and fennel seeds go in first. Roast them on medium flame, stirring continuously until you get a nice aroma. Now add the poppy seeds and sesame seeds. Reduce the flame now as they tend to get burnt faster. Keep stirring continuously on low flame. Toss them. Once you get the nice aroma, switch off the flame and keep mixing them because the pan is still hot. Now cool them well and grind them in a coffee grinder. Lovely. So aromatic. Remove them into a bowl. This flavorful masala can also be made ahead and stored in a container in more quantity. Now take a pan and heat oil. Add the bay leaf and cinnamon. Toss them in the oil so that the flavors are extracted. Now add the onion and saute it a bit. We are not going to saute onion too much, just a bit until it changes color. Now add the chicken. Spread it in the pan so that it gets cooked evenly. Add a little bit of turmeric. This kurma is light in color, so add turmeric very carefully. If needed, we can add later also. Mix everything well so that the turmeric is coated on all the chicken pieces. Cover and cook it for a little while. You can see the chicken color is changing. In between, keep stirring from time to time. Turn the side of the chicken and let it cook on all the sides. First we cook the chicken in its own juices before adding water. You can see now the moisture has dried up and the oil is separated. At this stage you can add water, about half a cup, depending again on the quantity of the chicken. Add little salt, give it a nice mix, and let the chicken simmer again. It's a very simple way of cooking. Kurma is very easy. The same method can be followed for veg kurma also. That takes lesser time in fact. Check for the doneness. It should be 80% done. Remaining will be done while we add the other ingredients. First we are adding the ground spice mix, about 2 tablespoons. Now give it a nice stir so that the masala spice powder is mixed well into the liquid. Now cover and cook on low flame until the water is all absorbed. You can see that chicken is all dried up now and it should be nearly done. Finally, at this stage we'll add the wet masala which we ground, the coconut mixture. Put some water into the jar and add it to the pan. Nothing should go waste. There's a lot of mixture stuck to the jar. Now the consistency of the gravy is your choice, thick or thin depending on what you are serving it with. And remember, this gravy also thickens on keeping, so accordingly you add the water. Check the salt. Definitely we'll require a little more because we have added water and the coconut mixture. Give it a mix. I'm adding little more water. Then it should be perfect after cooking. Now after adding this ground coconut paste, do not overcook it. Just 1 minute of simmering should do. Cover it and simmer until done. Simple and delicious chicken kurma is ready. Some time back I had also shared a video on how to make instant kurma spice mix. That's easier when you are having guests at home, when you are entertaining or you travel, you can take it with you. Do check it out. I'll share the link in the description box and I button. dish out the kurma. So yummy, yummy it looks. You can enjoy it with rotis, parathas, puris, idlis, dosas. Today I've paired it with kal dosas, thick dosas. These are soft in texture and they pair very well with kurma gravy. Let's check out the taste. Have a look at dosa, so soft and porous. We love this gravy with these thick kal dosas. Delicious, so good. These are very light also. The chicken also is very well done, nicely cooked, soft. So friends, do give it a try, make and enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see such delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and here are some videos from the archives. Check them out as well. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Bye.